You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this composition, this symphonic poem, if you want to learn how to pronounce more music vocabulary, and including the name of the composer here, perfectly in French. Many mispronounce it. Stay tuned to the channel, we've got many more coming up for you here. The French pronunciation of the French title is Prélude, Prélude, French for prelude, Prélude. À l'après-midi. L'après-midi is French for the afternoon. D'un faun. Faun. So overall, prélude à l'après-midi d'un faun, meaning prelude to the afternoon of a faun. Prélude à l'après-midi d'un faun. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.